Hello everyone, I am Nikita Nayak from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Hope you all are safe and doing well. Now you all are in second year, third sem computer engineering, in which you will learn different subjects. I will teach you probability and statistics. The subject code is 3130006. The teaching scheme is of 5 hours, in which 2 hours of tutorial and 3 hours of lectures. The examination scheme is of 100 marks, in which 70 marks of external exam and 30 marks of mid exam. There is no practical marks. In this subject you will learn basic probability, in which experiment, definition of probability, conditional probability, independent events, Bayes rule, Bernoulli's trials, random variables, discrete random variable, probability mass function, continuous random variable, probability density function, cumulative distribution function, properties of cumulative distribution function, two-dimensional random variables and their distribution functions, marginal probability function and independent random variables. The other topic is some special probability distributions, in which we will learn binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, Poisson approximation to the binomial distribution, normal, exponential and gamma densities, evaluation of statistical parameters for this distribution. We will learn basic statistics, in which we will learn measure of central tendency, moments, expectation, dispersion, skewness, kurtosis, expected value of two-dimensional random variable, linear correlation, correlation coefficient, rank correlation coefficient, regression, bounds on probability and Chebyshev inequality. We will learn applied statistics, in which we will learn formation of hypothesis, test of significance, large sample test for single proportion, difference of proportions, single mean, difference of means and difference of standard deviations. Test of significance or small samples contains t-test for single mean, difference of means, t-test for correlation coefficients, f-test for ratio of variances, chi-square test for goodness of fit and independence of attributes. And the last one is curve fitting by the numerical methods, in which we will learn curve fitting by the method of least square, fitting of straight line, fitting of second degree parabola and more general curves. The reference books are P.G. Hall, S.C. Pott and C.J. Stone. Book is Introduction to Probability Theory by Universal Bookstall. The second one is by S. Rose. A book name is A First Course in Probability, 6th edition by Pearson Education, India. The third one is W. Feller, An Introduction to Probability Theory and its Application, Volume 1 by Wiley Publication. And fourth one is D.C. Montgomery and G.C. Ranger, Applied Statistics and Probability for Engineers by Wiley Publication. And the fifth one is J.L. Devorey, Probability and Statistics for Engineering and the Sciences by Cambridge Learning. Thank you.